Hi traders, today is 20th December 2018. So as you can see, we are now live trading for the crude oil futures market, February contract 2019. So now we are about 3 minutes after US session begins. So you can see here Chicago time at 3 a.m. in the morning. Good morning for guys, for those in the USA. When It's quite interesting today because before the US session begin, I have take a look on the volume here. So there is a very large volume waiting at 4613, 4615. So there is high tendency for the market to go for bearish movement tonight. And also there's a 300 in Q. If I'm not mistaken, at 4551, yes, here 331 is quite high, and got 1010 at 4534. So this one is quite rare. So this is more clear for me. The market will go bearish today, tonight. I mean, in my time tonight, in your time, day. So as for my time is 20th of December 2018. If you can record, if you are watching this video in the futures, you can trace back the chart and you see what will happen tonight. But it's quite clear that the market on the bearish move. That's what I saw at this moment. Okay, so I'm still waiting for my signal to appear. Maybe have to wait. Maybe the first 30 minutes will be crucial. Need to be aware. Okay guys, we'll pause this video and resume later on. Okay guys, we resume back again. So we have been 28 minutes after the London session begin. So I have queued my stop limit order at 4636, which is at this purple line. If you can see, there's a purple line here. So I'm considering for the bearish movement, hope for the market to go downside. This is supported by the large volume waiting at 4531, also 4613, 400 plus, 4600 plus. Here also is quite strong, 4551, which is 331 queuing. And we got here the largest is 1000 at 4534. So there's a very high opportunity, very high possibility for the market to go on the bearish movement tonight, since this Q is around 1008 is quite high. Normally we have around 200 or 100 plus. So the price try to reverse back. So let's wait. Have to wait patiently. It's not the good trading setup at this moment, but still I have to wait for further trading setup. Okay guys, we pause this video and we resume later on. Okay guys, we resume back again. At this moment you can see that the market on the sideways move, just going up, down, up, down, up, down, all within the VWAP range. So my yellow line is the VWAP line. Okay, so still not clear yet, but I'm still hoping for the bearish movement. So now I'm waiting for my trading setup to provide me a good signal. So I hope it is a sell signal, because I'm strongly believe that the market will go bearish movement tonight, based on the volume Q, high volume Q at the lower price level. So as you can see now that the price did try to go down again. So there's a big drop here just now. There's a big drop. Managed to capture it live. Still I'm not yet into the market. I'm still waiting. So there's 1 minute and a half to decide whether this is a good entry or not. Maybe after 1 minute we will see that this could be a good entry instead of here. So let's wait and see. In 1 minute time, then we will know that this will this is a good entry or not. Okay, at this moment I'm queuing at here 4636 or 35. So I hope this is the good trading signal for me to bearish on the market. So I pause this video and we resume back. Okay guys, 20 seconds left. So it's kind of confirmed that the market have a strong bearish signal somewhere here. So I will change my Q to 4650, which is slightly higher than my current Q stop limit order. Okay, so this purple line have been changed to 4650, so this will be my entry. So I will pause this video. Hopefully the price can break through the market, and because we have a nearest low here and a good signal here, so let's hope the price will go further down. Okay, I will pause this video and we'll resume later on. Hello guys, we resume back again. So at this moment everything looks fine, so I've just entered into the market at 4636 if sorry, 4650. Yes, this is 4650. This is the nearest low, so I'm expecting for the price to move on the bearish movement. But at this moment you can see the price did pull back quite strongly, and still I'm afraid that the market will go on the bullish. Still have to wait for a few more minutes to see and to sure that the market will go on the bearish movement. So if you can see in my platform, there's a profit around 730 at this moment. This is due to my overnight position from a day before, because I entered short sell, and today I entered another short sell, so they assuming that I will go on the same movement. That's why my my profit looks very good at this moment, around 72 ticks. So let's wait and see. But actually the today entry is here. Today entry is here at 4650. Okay, so we'll see whether the market can break this nearest low, which is also the support level. So once it's breakthrough, then it will go further down. So there is a high volume queuing at 4550 and also 4534. So as I show you just now, there's now there's a lot of high queue, very high volume queuing at the downside of the current price level. This could be very interesting. Okay, 330 still maintained at 4551. So now the market almost at the same level where I enter for my day trade. Only the current situation is from yesterday overnight position, so just ignore it. And also 4534, there's a 1006 Q to buy at this position, so they more likely the market will go to this direction at this moment. So I hope there is very strong bearish to push or to pull the price to downward movement. So we pause this video and we resume later on. Okay guys, we resume back again. So in my country, in my time zone, already midnight, so it's very sleepy at this moment. So as you can see, profit around 1190 US dollar. So it was a overnight position because I re-entered the selling position here. So as I mentioned, this is the nearest stop, so they break through, so there's a more place to go down here. So I'm expecting for the price to be achieved to somewhere here. So this might take another 1 hour in local time. In US time it could be during afternoon time. So let's hope that the price will go on the south very fast. So this might help me to gain more profit. So at this moment 1240 looks good. So there's still high volume queue at 4550 if I'm not mistaken. during my last check. Okay, let's see. Okay, not much. So maybe I have to find the exit anywhere because we are in the profit. Should be okay. Looks good. Okay, everything looks good. So just let it go for a while. 1,260 US dollar. So now the price keep moving down. Okay, let's hope that the price will gain more. 1,390. I think if I exit now, so should be okay. Yeah, I think I exit now. Okay, guys, I already exit my position at 1,420 in profit just now here. Okay. Reset this. So let's see how far you can go. So already exit my position, so you can see this triangle indicate my exit just now at 1,000 I think 420 US dollar. Okay, let's see about the volume. I'm still expecting for the price to reach 45.50. Okay, there's no large volume. Okay, there's a large volume here, 122, 168. So both price level is quite important. So market still keep going down. So we have one more quite interesting volume, 1,000 plus waiting to buy. So let's take a look. Yes, 44.75. So there's a 1,009 queuing at 44.75. This is very interesting, but I already exit the market, so I will not go in one more time. So let it be. 1,420 from overnight position should be good enough. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.